Hello everyone. So today we will be discussing from where you all can study for the placement and intern. So I will be discussing some points, and I will be showing you the website from where you can study your material. Okay. So we have four parts of before the placement or intern. So first part is coding, second part is puzzle, and third part is theory part in which you need to study operating system, DBMS and OOPS, and fourth part is the resume part. So resume part I will not be covering in this video. I will be covering in the next upcoming videos. So let us discuss first about coding part. So in coding, what you need to cover is, first of all, you need to cover the data structure part and the algorithm part. So we will be covering these 2 points from the GFG part, GFG website. Like I may show you. So this is a GFG website, you can see. So what we need to do is we need to click on tutorial, we need to click on algorithm, and you need to click on all. You need to click on data structure, and you need to click on all data structures. So after clicking on all data structure, you will be directed to this website. So in this web, from this, what topics you need to cover, I will be discussing that. Okay, so first of all we have linked list. So in linked list you need to cover all these 17 points. You need to cover circular linked list, you need to cover double linked list. Okay, and this is for the linked list. You need to cover the stack whole. Q, you need to implement all these 11 questions. Binary tree, you need to cover all these 22 and much more. From other part I will be showing you later on. Binary search is important, you need to cover all these topics. Heap, for the heap what you can do is you can just google how to do min heap and max heap, how to implement both these heaps, min heap and max heap, and how do you use priority queue to implement that in C++ STL. In hashing, you need to, this is the theory part, you need to remember these things because in interviews they do ask for hashing. Okay, and for the graph is quite big and large. So what you need to do is you need to cover this DFS part. uh, okay, so we will be covering graph in the algorithm part. Okay, in the data structure we don't have much. Okay, so either you can leave from here, we will be doing same graph in the algorithm part. So okay, so graph we will not be doing from the data structure. Advanced data structure, no need to do this by now. Okay, so it is not required here. So now go to the algorithm part, click on algorithm, click on all algorithms. Okay, from all algorithm what you need to do is you need to cover the analysis of algorithm. The whole 17 topics are important, whole 17 links. Okay, and for now we need to do for searching. In searching what you can do is you need to do is linear search, binary search, jump search. This is not required. Exponential search is not required, ternary search is not required. Only first three are important. In selection, so in sorting what you need is selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, heap sort, and quick sort. And also do remember their average time complexity or worst time complexity, they do ask. Okay, what is the worst time calculability for quick sort and merge sort. Okay, merge sort and quick sort are very important. And what you can do is you can also do radix sort, and this is it. You need to do only till here. Okay, this is what is required in sorting, and this is theory part, you can read or you can leave. And rest all the topics are quite important, so you need to do all these 31s. Okay, in greedy you need to implement all these 13, and all these 13, yes, all these 30 13s are important. And most important is this activity selection problem. This problem you might get in your written coding test also. So this is important, and jobs sequencing problem is quite important. These two are quite important, but you have to do all these 13 problems. In dynamic programming there are around 56 problems, you need to implement all those. Okay, so there are 56, you need to do this. It's quite important for the dynamic part. Okay, and we have pattern searching. In pattern searching you need to do only two part, KMP and NAIF. KMP is very very important, they will be asking you some questions regarding KMP, how to implement. And one of my friend was asked in Adobe about KMP. Okay, and we have backtracking, very very important. All these 10 problem will be asked can be asked, it can be asked in interview also as well as in coding part. In placement 2019-20, in the two company I was asked, one was Sudoku and the other was M coloring problem, and these two problems were asked in the written test. Okay, so do it is quite important backtracking part. You do need to do this divide and conquer. Geometric algorithm not required, mathematical algorithm not required, and bit algorithm not required. Graph is quite important. So what you need to do is you need to implement these 13 problem. DFS BFS is quite important. In minimum spanning tree, what you can do is prims is important, and this crucial is important. Okay, only two links are important, first and the fourth is important. No need to do the other 3 and 4. Now we have shortest path. In shortest path you need to implement these 5 links. You need to do this. These all 5 are quite important. Interview question can be asked, and also in the coding test. Connectivity, in connectivity what you can do is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and these first 5 links, and you have this ninth also. This is enough for connectivity. Hard problem, no, not required here. Maximum flow not required. This is not required. Only this much we have to do. Okay, what I have told to you. And this was the first two part. Okay, in coding part I am telling you about data structure and algorithms. And 1.3 is practice. From where you can practice? You can practice it from interview bit or from lead code. Lead code is quite big, so you can go for interview bit. I can show you the link. You need to search for in Google interview bit, click on the first link, and you will be directed to the first page after login. So what you will be doing here is you will be starting from arrays. Okay, from arrays, math, binary search, string. This not required. 2 pointers you will be doing. Linked list you will be doing. Stacks and queues you will be doing. Backtracking you will be doing. Hashing you will be doing. And this is not required. Tree data structure quite important. Okay, greedy, DP, and graph you may choose, because GFG is having quite a big graph data structure or algorithm. You can do it from the GFG itself, but till greedy you need to do. Okay, so binary search, you need to start from arrays, math, binary search, string, 2 pointer, linked list, stack queues, backtracking, hashing, and tree data structure, greedy, and DP. These are the topics you need to do in interview bit. Okay, so I think this is covered now. See, when this is the time when you, if you are preparing for intern or placement, make sure that you are giving contests are very important. Some people don't give, they think that studying is more important. Contests are also so important, they help us to handle pressure. Okay, so contests are regularly held on Codeforces, CodeChef, or HackerEarth. You can, I think you should see Codeforces is having contests on regular basis, so make sure that you are giving at least 2 or 3 in a week. Okay, if not 2, at least you should give 1 in a week. Okay, on the HackerEarth also you can give some good questions are there on HackerEarth too. Now we need to do the puzzle part. Okay, so this is the interview part. A puzzle is not asked in the written test, it is being asked in the interview round. So from where to do puzzle? So, okay, what you can do is Google search puzzle GFG, click on the first link and you will be directed to the, okay, I will be click on puzzles, and this is the puzzle link. Okay, so it contains around 44 puzzles. So what you, how can you prepare for the puzzle? See, sometimes it happens that you might not feel to study or do coding, so you just open these puzzles and try to read them. Okay, so the puzzles are being asked in most of the companies, so it's better to prepare for them. So try to remember all these 44 puzzles. It's good and it's interesting too. Okay, so puzzle we will be doing only 45. Now the puzzle part is over. Now we have the theory part. From where to study the theory part? See, these 3 topics are quite important. You need to complete these three topics. And for this, and fourth part is system design. So system design is based on company. Some companies do ask, some company don't ask. And before going to the interview you will be able to understand that these companies do ask. Okay, so prepare yourself for the system design now. But the first 3 topics, that is operating system, DBMS, and OOPS, are very important. Okay, so where to do from operating system. So what you can do is click on the DFG part, click on the CS subject, and then you will find operating system and DBMS. So here I have operating system. See, this is the theory part. You need to understand the basics of this. So company can ask the theory part as well as some numerical. Numerical, it is about 1 to 5% they will be asking. Most of the company will be asking the theory part. So what you can do is, you have to read the basics. You have to read the system structure. You have to read this CPU scheduling, very important, quite important, and process synchronization is quite important, deadlock is quite important, process and threads are quite important, memory management is quite important, disk management is quite important. So in till here you have to do. So operating system, what you can do is, either you can read the theory, or what you can do is, you can go on the YouTube, and there will be many person who can, from where you can study. And if you ask me, I prefer this Sanchit Jain DBMS or Sanchit Jain operating system. I used to study from him. He teaches in a very good style. Okay, so you can choose anyone, but this is my opinion. I chose this during my placement season. So operating system is over, and now we need to come on the DBMS part. What is DBMS? Okay, so we need to cover the DBMS part. See, what happens in some of the companies, they do ask in they do ask in MCQs also. So before going for the written test, make sure that you are aware about that this these three parts. Okay, that is DBMS, OOPS, and operating system. So what you need to cover in DBMS? You need to complete the introduction part, ER model, relational model, algebra is quite important, functional dependency very important. Okay, normalization very important. If you have the choice what topics you need to cover, these two topics are you, this is must. Okay, this is must, these two topics, functional dependency and normalization. uh, this is not so important, but you need to cover it. Okay, some I was asked one question in one of the company during the interview. So this is part is important. Transaction and concurrency control, this is not so important. Okay, I think, yeah, only this much. Till transaction and concurrency you need to complete all these 31 parts. Okay, so this is it for the operating system and DBMS, and how to find for the how to search for oops. Okay, so you will be just open the main page of GFG. You can go for, I think we have languages. Go for the languages, click on C++, or if you are doing coding in Java, Python, I do coding in C++, so I will be going on C++ first. And in C++, you need to come down first. You need to scroll down and scroll, and then you will be coming to this. See, here we have object oriented programming. So what you need to cover this part: 17 constructor and destructor, quite important. 21 functional overloading, quite important. We have till 7 operator overloading, this is important. Virtual function, very important. Exception handling, not so important. Namespace, not important. And we have just okay, I think from here inheritance is quite important, this is must. And go down. Okay, this is it. Only this much is there in operating system. Oh, this oops. Okay, I think I have told you the topics. Just you can rewind and see what all topics I have told you in operating system. Now system design, I'm not going to tell this, I'm not going to tell you in this. And for the resume part, I will be making a video and I will be sharing my resume to you, so that you know what to write and what not to write, and what is important and what not to study. So what you can do during this lockdown, you need to focus on this coding part first. Okay, so this is the largest part and so important, because you need to clear the first coding round, and then you will be going to the interview round. So make sure that you cover these topics. Puzzle you can do hand in hand with coding. When you feel that now coding I have done a lot, let us go on to the puzzle section, so you can do it on regular basis. uh, I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.